All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Marie, and I'm super thrilled to be here with all of you guys here today. And welcome to this exciting webinar hosted by Debutify. We are diving today into the world of creating seamless mobile experiences. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me give you a quick intro for those of you who don't know me or who doesn't know about Debutify. So if you guys don't know, my name is Marie and I'm a content specialist at Debutify. And Debutify is not just another company. It is a team of talented individuals who have dedicated themselves to crafting outstanding e-com solutions. And we're trying to be your big brother when you're starting your own e-commerce business, right? So if you haven't seen any of our other webinars, go check them out. After this, we have plenty of resources just for you so that you can really jumpstart that e-com business. Or if you're already starting out, find ways for you to actually improve all the logistics that you have. All right. So for today's webinar, it's all about mobile experiences. We're going to explore how mobile e-commerce is transforming the way that consumers shop and how crucial it is for online store owners to optimize their mobile experience. So in today's landscape, you can't afford to overlook mobile commerce. And it's a game changer, guys, because how many of you, because I know for sure I am one of those, that if a website does not load fast enough or is giving me, I tend to have a hard time trusting websites that have really bad design. Is it just me? I don't know. But that is what the studies are showing. So making sure that your ecom website is good on website is really key to your success. All right. Let's talk about, there we go. Let's talk about smartphones for a bit. And what's the impact of mobile commerce on consumer behavior? They have completely changed the game when it comes to consumer behavior. From the convenience of shopping on the go to having everything on our fingertips, having everything super fast, mobile commerce has truly reshaped the way we interact with businesses. So I want you guys to picture this. Your customers can browse and shop from anywhere now and anytime. So that's the magic of mobile commerce. No more being tied to a laptop or a computer or even physical store visits. It's all about the power of accessibility and convenience, and it's shaping the way that we shop. But wait, there's more to it. Did you know that having a mobile optimized online store is super important? If your site is not mobile friendly, you might be losing out on potential sales. Your customers want a smooth experience, and that's where mobile optimization comes into play. But don't worry, guys, we'll be discussing more into this, so you're all set to ace the mobile game. So here are some best practices to implement for mobile commerce success. Number one, first and foremost, a seamless mobile experience is the name of the game. So keep it simple, keep it smooth. Customers usually love a user-friendly interface, something that they don't have to think, where is this, where is that, right? So let's not forget about design and navigation. So make sure that your online store looks great and it's easy to navigate on any device. So think about those thumb-friendly buttons, making sure they are easy to find, and having those add to cart buttons on having an animation is usually really good. That's my go-to. And of course, loading speed also matters. Customers won't wait around for slow loading pages. I told you guys about this earlier in the webinar. So make sure that your site is lightning fast. And last but not least, have secure mobile payments. Your customers want peace of mind when making transactions, especially in this time when a lot of scams and a lot of phishing happens. So give them a safe and mobile friendly way to actually do their payments. So let's get to the good stuff, because why are we introducing that if we don't have a solution, right? So Debutify is here to elevate your mobile e-com game, and it's backed with incredible features for especially for mobile commerce. So naturally, we're here to help you make this possible, and here's how. First, a conversion optimized design, a sleek, modern, and geared, but at the same time, easily customizable. So you guys don't feel like your website just looks like any other website. We've cut out the distractions and created a shopping journey that guides customers towards making that purchase. Next, we've made this setting up your online store a breeze. Our no-code, one-click import functionality allows you to import pre-designed templates and layouts with just a simple click. So no more manual setups and configurations. We've got you guys covered. Like, just figure out your business. We'll take care of the websites. And what about mobile responsiveness? We have that too. Your online store will look fantastic on any device, ensuring your customers have an optimal experience no matter which phone they shop into. And did I mention our advanced product filtering? Because that is a game changer when you're making your store. Your customers can easily narrow down their product search based on a specific criteria like price range, color, size, making the shopping journey a breeze. And of course, our pride is our loading speed. Not on, like, a slow loading page is not on our watch. We've optimized this theme for improved loading speed and reducing those pesky bounce rates and keeping customers engaged. And lastly, boosted SEO rankings. So with our SEO friendly features, your online store will gain more organic traffic and visibility, attracting those potential customers like never before. All right, that is super simple, but it's a whirlwind of fantastic information. So to recap, we've explored how mobile commerce has transformed consumer behavior and why mobile optimization is crucial for your online store's business. But like I said, this is just the beginning, because not only do we have webinars for you guys that you can browse through, the Debutify also offer several resources for you to check out. So check out our blog, check out our webinars. And if you're hungry for more e-commerce knowledge, we've got you covered, guys. So before we part ways, I have some exciting news for you. As always, you can experience the power of this mobile optimized store for free for 14 days and a trial of our new product, Debutify Reviews, for 30 days. And Debutify Reviews is a great tool for you to collect, manage, and import and review all of your reviews all in one place. So go try it out and for yourself and see your results firsthand. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further support, feel free to reach us in our support channels. We're always there, ready to help you guys. So wishing you guys all the best with your e-com journey. And of course, if you have any questions, like I said, or if you just want to share to us anything, let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback to everything. Anyway, guys, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next webinar.